Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to open a Porsche with a dead battery. The battery is completely dead and the only way we can get inside is with using this. There's no reaction from the remote, and let me show you what to do to open the front hood. And well, over here on the left side, on the driver's side in this case, we have this fuse panel which is hidden behind this, and over here there's this red tab which you need to pull out, and there are actually electrical connections over here. And here I have a jump starter that I can connect with the vehicle. I'm not going to start the vehicle with this connection because this is not designed for those kind of loads. You want to just connect power over here to provide enough current to open the electric lock in the front. So let me hook this up. The positive goes over here and the negative, well, the negative will go over here on the steering rack, on the steering column. So this should be enough to pop the hood and connect to the actual battery. This goes here and this will go here. Okay, so this is how it looks. And as I said, this provides enough power to open the front bonnet. It will not be opened by this button, sadly. But if you press and hold here, you can hear that the electric lock on the front actually popped. You can hear it. So right now we can open this, remove this piece, and there's a battery underneath, and we can connect a battery charger or the jump starter to jump start the engine. Okay, so with power over here, we don't have power over here, but it should be enough to unlock the steering wheel. So only the basic operations, just enough to put the car on the flatbed or connect it to a jump starter or a battery charger. Okay, that's it. Hope this helped you and see you soon.